हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो इससे पहले वाला जो मैंने वीडियो बनाया था, यू गाइज लव्ड इट, आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ व्यूज़। सो आई थॉट ऐसे वीडियोस मैं और बनाऊंगी। सो पिछले वीडियो में आई शोड व्हाट आई वेयर फॉर माई सिस्टर्स वेडिंग। सो नाउ फॉर दिस वीडियो, एज बाय द टाइटल यू नो, आई एम गोना शो यू व्हाट आई वोर फॉर माई फ्रेंड्स वेडिंग। My friend, she got married in December 2020. उस टाइम भी पैंडमिक था, बट सिचुएशन थोड़ी बेटर थी, तो उसकी वेडिंग हो पाई। बट स्टिल इट वाज अ इंटीमेट वेडिंग। बहुत कम लोगों को इनवाइट किया था उसने, और स्वीट एंड स्मॉल फंक्शंस किए थे। सो इन टोटल देयर वर 4 फंक्शंस, एंड आई एम गोना टेल यू कौन कौन से फंक्शंस थे एंड क्या क्या थीम थी, how did we decide on that outfit and that color. So if you want to see that, let's get into the video. So it was a 2-day function. पहले दिन में first function was haldi, and haldi, as you know, we usually wear yellow for the haldi function. So obviously I wore yellow kurta, but as it was the color theme and everyone there was in yellow, so I wanted to stand out because ऐसे दूर से लगना चाहिए कि she is the bridesmaid. So I wanted to play a little bit with the colors, and I wanted to wear yellow because I had to wear yellow, but with a little twist. So this is what I wore. So the kurta is yellow chikankari. It's a very plain and very decent kurta. With it I wore magenta leggings and this very beautiful net magenta dupatta. So the dupatta stole the show. Whoever is watching this video and इससे पहले वाला भी वीडियो जिसने देखा होगा, so I play a little bit with the dupatta, and as a fashion stylist and a designer, ये मैं आपको टिप देना चाहती हूँ कि if you want to enhance a kurta, do wear a dupatta with it. Like dupatta always steals the show. अगर कुर्ता प्लेन है और पैंट्स भी प्लेन है, that is very much fine, but dupatta should be on point. Like what I wear for the haldi function, like it was my best friend's wedding and I wore a very basic simple yellow chikankari kurta. अगर उसको बिना दुपट्टे के देखेंगे तो इट विल लुक वेरी प्लेन एंड नॉट फॉर अ वेडिंग फंक्शन, बट दुपट्टा ऐड करते से ही इट बिकेम समथिंग टू वेयर इन अ वेडिंग फंक्शन. सो फॉर द फुटवेयर आई वोर लाइट पिंक ब्लॉक हील्स. आई डिडंट वांट टू गो ओवर द टॉप विद द फुटवेयर बिकॉज ऑलरेडी दुपट्टा बहुत इन्हांस कर रहा था आउटफिट को, इसलिए न्यूट्रल पिंक शेड के हील्स थे. एंड for the makeup, very light makeup because it was a day function, so little yellow goldenish eye makeup. And for the hair I did something like this, side twisted braid. At that time my hair color was quite new, so उसके कारण बाल और ज़्यादा अच्छे लग रहे थे. अभी थोड़ा सा हेयर कलर उतर गया है. ऑल्सो आई वुड लाइक टू रिमाइंड यू गाइज कि यू हैव टू रेट माई आउटफिट्स. सो जस्ट कॉमेंट डाउन बिलो, राइट द फंक्शन एंड रेट मी आउट ऑफ 10 मे बी, कि कौन सा आउटफिट यू लाइक द मोस्ट एंड कौन सा आउटफिट यू didn't like it that much. So you need to comment and let me know, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Also for the rating, you can rate my outfits for the previous video as well. I'll attach the link, go see that video and rate my outfits. So moving on to the next function, that was mehendi. Again it was in her home. As I told you, it was a very intimate wedding during the time of pandemic, so that was really good of her to do this. For the mehendi function we didn't have a particular color theme or color scheme or anything like that, but I knew what she was going to wear because हमने बहुत सारे discussions किए थे, and a lot of time I went with her for the shopping, and we discussed a lot. So I knew what color she was going to wear. So uske contrast mein I wanted to wear something taki she becomes the center of attraction. So for her mehendi, I wore this red kurta. So it's a very pretty long red kurta with some golden work on it. It's actually golden print on it, not actually work. Also, I did a very smart thing. I got ready very early and I had time before leaving for the mehendi function. So what I did was a little photo shoot for my brand's product. I mean, why not utilize the time? And the pictures turned out really well. I'm gonna attach that, and I'm gonna attach the link to the products if you guys wanna buy that. So I styled the kurta with a golden belt and also with a handmade beaded potli. The belt was looking really pretty with the kurta. At one point of time मैंने सोचा कि मैं ये बेल्ट पहन के ही चली जाती हूँ to the मेहंदी function, but I think it was a little too heavy for the function. So I decided not to wear it. But अगर evening function होता तो definitely मैं पहनती वो, because it was looking really pretty, and honestly it was looking that these two things are meant for each other, like the golden belt and the red kurta. So the pictures turned out really well. I posted it on Instagram, and it's on the website as well. So you guys let me know if you like it too, because I loved it. And again, if you guys want to buy any of these, the link is in the description. So with the red kurta, I wore big green golden jhumkas. Again, I thought it was too much for the mehendi function, but it suited so well with the outfit that I decided to wear it. And I think it looks nice. You guys also decide. But the earrings are just popping out, and it suits perfectly with the kurta. Red and green are always a good combination for any Indian wedding. It's again a tip for you guys. If you're wearing a red outfit, kurta, lehenga, sari, anything for an Indian wedding or any Indian function, you can pair it with green jewelry like a neck piece, earrings, bangles or anything. But red and green combination is always good. I have seen a lot of brides actually wearing red lehenga with green jewelry. So you can trust my advice. I mean, अगर bride पहन रही है तो we can also wear it. So for the hairstyle, again I did this side braided kind of thing. I mean, I was obsessed with this hairstyle at that time. I am still now actually. It suits my face. So if you have a round face and kind of straight wavy hair like mine, so you can also try that. And if you want, I can give you a tutorial also. Just comment down below and let me know. I'll make a video of that. It's a very simple hairstyle, but I'll give you some little tips for it. So coming to the footwear, I wore golden jutis with it. Again, I couldn't wear like pencil heels or long heels because I had to drive, and it's really uncomfortable driving in heels. So I wore small block heels or maybe flats or something like that. So this was my mehendi look. So coming to the last function of the first day, it was Sangeet. Again, it was at her house. Like, they covered a part of the society and the Sangeet was there. So I love to wear saris. Like, I make sure if I'm attending a close friend's wedding or maybe sister's wedding or anyone's wedding, I make sure that I wear sari in at least one of the functions. If you guys have seen my previous video, I wore a sari to the Sangeet function of my sister's wedding. Just check it out. So for my friend's wedding also, in the Sangeet function, I wore a sari. So it was a pink pure georgette tie-and-dye sari. It's my mother's sari because I don't own a lot of saris. So I borrow it from my mom. I mean, हम सब यही करते हैं, अपनी mom से ही साड़ी borrow करते हैं most of the time. So it is a pretty plain sari just with a small like thin golden border, and I wore multicolored embroidered blouse with it. Even though this sari doesn't have much embroidery or motifs or booty or anything, but still because of the golden border and the tie-and-dye effect, and plus it's pure georgette, It was itself popping out. It didn't need any kind of embellishment to it. Also the blouse, I wore this blouse a lot of time with different things and different saris. I have wore this with royal blue plain sari, with lehengas, and for the Navratri festivals, like for the Garba and all. So this blouse actually matches with everything, and it matched with the sari as well because it's multicolored, but pink ज़्यादा है इसमें, इसलिए वो match कर गई साड़ी के साथ. So the संगीत function was at the night time or maybe evening time, and I had time between the मेहंदी function and the संगीत function. So I curled my hairs. मैं हमेशा ये इसलिए बोलती हूँ कि टाइम था मेरे पास, इसलिए कर्ल किया, बिकॉज एक तो कर्ल करने में बहुत टाइम लगता है, प्लस कर्लिंग माई हेयर इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. एज आई टोल्ड यू, मेरे हेयर काफ़ी स्ट्रेट है, तो उनको कर्ल करने में ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है, और मेरे बाल बहुत थिक है, तो थोड़ा थोड़ा पोर्शन लेके कर्ल करना इट्स वेरी टाइम टेकिंग. इसलिए अभी भी एंड प्रीवियस वीडियो में भी मैंने मेंशन किया था कि मेरे पास टाइम था, इसलिए मैंने बाल कर्ल किए. सो फॉर द हेयर स्टाइल आई कर्ल्ड माई हेयर एंड आई वोर पिंक बिग ईयररिंग्स. अगर आपने मेरा प्रीवियस वीडियो देखा है तो यू नो दीज ईयररिंग्स. येस, आई वोर दिस टू माई सिस्टर्स मेहंदी, एंड ये भी ईयररिंग्स ऐसे हैं कि इट कैन मैच विथ एनी आउटफिट. लाइक मेरी बहन की मेहंदी में आई वोर इट विथ क्रॉप टॉप एंड स्कर्ट, एंड मेरी फ्रेंड के संगीत में आई वोर इट विथ अ साड़ी, एंड दोनों टाइम इट वॉज लुकिंग रियली ग्रेट. इट मैच्ड विद द आउटफिट, मैच्ड विद द फंक्शन, सो इट वॉज अ वेरी गुड बाय. एंड आई एम प्रिटी श्योर आगे भी कोई फंक्शंस होंगे या किसी की वेडिंग अटेंड करूँगी तो आई विल डेफिनेटली वेयर दिस ईयररिंग्स. For the makeup, I did very light makeup like pink eyeshadow. So basically, I do only one kind of makeup. I mean, I just change the color of the eyeshadow. बाकी सारी चीज़ें सेम ही रहती है because I know what things suit my face. इसलिए हमेशा मैं खुद ही अपना मेकअप करती हूँ. Just eyeshadow का color I change. Sometimes make it light and or maybe a little heavy, and lipstick का color it's light or dark, बस वो चीज़ें change होती है, बाकी everything is the same. And for the footwear, I think I was wearing heels. I am not sure because pictures में इतना दिख नहीं रहा है, but साड़ी के साथ I always wear heels. So the first day was over. The next day it was शादी. Unfortunately, I couldn't attend the फेरे. बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम आई गेस नाइट कर्फ्यू था. 10 बजे के बाद आप बाहर नहीं जा सकते, एंड आई डिडंट वांट टू रिस्क इट इवन दो द वेन्यू वाज क्वाइट नियर बाय टू माई हाउस, बट स्टिल I had to follow the rules, and I didn't want to be in trouble. For the reception, I wore a lehenga. Yes, you guys, I wore this lehenga. If you know what I'm talking about, that's great. If you don't, check out my previous video. I mean, you guys know, मेरे को ये पहले से ही पसंद था. Like the day I bought it, I loved it, and I loved my outfit at that time. For the hairstyle, I did again straight hair. I don't usually tie my hair. आप लोग को भी पता चल गया होगा. I don't like tying my hair at all. And I don't do much with my hairstyle because I like my hair ऐसे ही एकदम simple. So I just did plain straight hair with a mang tika, as it was the main wedding function, so I had to wear jewelry. So mang tika and earrings. Again, आप लोग को शायद पता चल गया होगा, I don't wear neck pieces that much. I mean, sometimes if it's necessary, but I don't like it that much. I just wear heavy earring. So another tip for you guys, it totally depends on you what you wanna wear for the jewelry. But I would suggest कि if you're wearing heavy earrings, don't wear heavy neck piece or vice versa. Sometimes it looks good, like if it's your wedding, or maybe you're wearing a very heavy lehenga and it's your sister's wedding, like I wore for my sister's wedding. But for the other functions, or maybe generally, it doesn't look that good. So just wear heavy earrings or maybe just heavy neck piece, and then you're all done. You don't need anything else. Or maybe just mix and match, like wear a heavy neck piece and wear a mang tika, or maybe heavy earrings and just a lot of chudis or bangles. So just mix and match with it, and don't wear everything at once or you'll just look like a bride. Let this be for the bride itself. So for the makeup, again I didn't do that much, just the same basic makeup and yellow and goldenish eyeshadow, and it was enough, I guess. If you want to learn the makeup which I do, just comment down below and I'll make a tutorial for that. Again, I want to mention it suits my face, so I can tell you what I do, but you'll have to figure out what suits your skin type and your face, and थोड़े से changes you can do according to you. For the footwear, again I don't remember what I was wearing, and in the pictures also the lehenga is too long. It was heels definitely, because लहंगे के साथ heels पहनना पड़ता है. But if I want to give a tip for that, so you can wear block heels, as the lehenga is already heavy and you'll have to walk or maybe drive, or it's a long function, so block heels are very comfortable, so wear that. And maybe just buy dull golden heels because it matches with everything, any Indian function or maybe western wear. Those heels are like staple heels, you can just pair it with anything and you're good to go. So if you want to invest in one heel, so just buy one dull golden block heels, and the style, it depends on you, whichever is comfortable to you, like peep toes or pumps, it is totally up to you. So these were all my looks. If you liked my looks, comment down below. If you liked this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for the next video. Till then, bye bye.